So we just went through and created the meme generator together. And before that, we had done a multi-part series on creating a to-do app. But to-do apps, honestly, are pretty boring. And the more you do them, the more boring they get. And so I decided to include here some resources that you might use to come up with ideas for apps that you might want to build yourself. I was going to come up with a list of my own ideas, and then I came across freeCodeCamp's lists that they have built over the years. And each one of these is an entire blog post with a whole bunch of different ideas that you can use. So I would honestly just recommend visiting these websites, reading through the ideas that they have, and either picking one or using that as inspiration for ideas for you to come up with.